Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to be mowing the front lawn. I've not actually mowed this for, must be getting on for 3 or 4 weeks, and I've got quite a few weeds coming in, but to be honest, I'm not gonna try and sort that out until spring. Yeah, I'll probably feed and weed in spring. I'm not going to attempt it now because I'm not sure how it's going to react with it being kind of like nearly winter, at late autumn. But we'll see. I'm going to be using the reel mower. We'll see if we can get any stripes. See if the stripes will show up in this kind of weather. We've not had much sunshine. It's just been, we've had a hell of a lot of rain. We're just starting to get a few frosts through now. Yeah, so I've had some of these brown spots. So I've probably had a bit of fungus in. So after I've mowed it, I'm going to try some kelp, seaweed, humic acid, and I might even put in some iron sulphate as well, just to see if that'll bring it back to how it should be and protect it from any further attacks of fungus. You see, here in UK we have to be careful because a lot of chemicals is not available for us to use, so we have to try and deal with it with natural kind of products, although I know iron sulphate's not natural. But yeah, see how we go. Okay guys, so I was halfway through my mowing session and I think the memory card gave up the ghost, so I've had to reset it. I'm not sure how much video footage I've actually got, so, but I've still got a bit of mowing to do, so sit back and enjoy. Yeah, so now we've just got to do the edging to finish it off so it looks a bit more respectable. And I'm going to be using, wherever I put it, the cordless ply mow contour. Strimmer edger. That, and it's an edger. bad to say it's a home range tool, so yeah. Right, okay guys, what I've got in here is iron sulphate, sea kelp and seaweed, humic acid, and also some so this is a natural product for preventing disease, so got that all mixed up in here. So all I need to do is agitate that, let's get it all mixed in. Put that on. Now we're just going to spray that onto the lawn. And that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, give us a comment, give us a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button